guys, it's me once again. For today's video we will mix vintage pink semi-gloss latex paint for interior wall. Vintage pink looks very good with strong contrasting shades. It can be for instance on gray and black. It's a perfect combination, both for bedroom and the living room. Okay, let's start. Our client order, 1 liter vintage pink, semi-gloss latex mix, for interior wall. Let's start by pouring, at least 50% ratio of semi-gloss latex lines. Then let's add acrylic color, urethane red. Let's also add latex permanent maroon. Drop a little latex, royal blue. Also put acrylic color, raw sienna, and a drop of acrylic color black. Okay, let's stir the paint very well. Let's compare to our client chosen sample. We are more darker. Let's add semi-gloss latex line. Let's also add acrylic color raw sienna and little acrylic color black. Let's compare it once more. It's almost the same. Let's add more white, urethane red, raw sienna, and black. Stir the paint very well. it's the same already. Mixing accomplished. If you are new to our channel, please to subscribe to our channel. Keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Shout out to our 1060 subscribers. Thank you always for the support.